Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 791, that is custom sort string, and in this we'll be given two strings order and s, and all the characters of order are unique and were sorted in some custom order previously, and we have to permute the characters of s so that they match the order was sorted. And more specifically, if a character x comes before a character y in order, then x should occur before y in the permuted string, and we have to return any permutation of s that satisfy the property. For example, we are having order as CBA and S as ABCD, so a valid output could be CBA and then D, because what we have to basically do is we have to maintain this order, the relative order of each of these the characters. And also similarly we can see DCBA is also a valid output, CDBA is a valid output, CBDA is also a valid output, because we can see the relative order between the characters of order is maintained. Okay, and now for this what we'll be doing is we can use a priority queue also, but I'll be using a rank array. So because I'll be providing a rank to each of the particular character in order, and then in the string s I'll be sorting the whole string s on basis of that rank, and then I'll be just concatenating all the letters from s, and I'll be finally having my answer. Okay, so now let's create a rank array that will be equal to new int of size 26, and then let's have a I that is basically my rank, that for char ch in order dot to char array. Sorry, what I have to do is I have to update the rank minus a, and that will be equal to I plus plus, because I'll be providing the for zeroth rank to the first character of order, then say a first rank to the second character of order. Similarly, in this way I'll be going. Okay, now what I'll be doing is I'll be converting my string into the character array, that is, let's say uh, letter, or let's say s-char array. Okay, that will be equal to s dot to char array. But here's a catch, that we cannot directly apply sorting a custom comparator to this, because Java does not allow. There might be some other language which allows this. Your C++ or Python, I guess we can implement in that directly only. But for this, I need to convert into a character array instead, and let's call it letters. That will be equal to the length of s dot length, and then what I'll be doing is I'll be converting that for char. Okay, no, for int I equal to 0. Okay, I is already initialized j equal to 0, j less than s dot length, and then j plus plus, or you can just directly do it this way also, like let us s dot length, and then here I'll be doing is okay, array. Here I forgot the new character s dot length, and then for each letters j will be equal to s dot char at j. Okay, now what we can do, we can just sort this letter array, arrays dot sort letters, and we'll be passing a custom comparator over here, that is new comparator of character, and we'll be creating an object of this, and then let's override the function, that is, let's compare, that is public int compare, and this will be taking two characters as the input, character c1, let's say, and character c2. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to return integer dot compare the two characters based on their rank. Okay, compare rank of c1 minus a, comma rank of c2 minus a. Okay, so this will give me the this will sort the letters array based on their rank. Now what we have to just do, we have to just, let's add a string builder, sb, that is equal to new string builder, and then we'll be just appending all the characters in the letters array to the string SB or string builder. Let's say that for char ch in letters SB dot append ch, and at then let's just return SB dot to string. Okay, now let's run it. New string builder. Okay, my bad. Yeah, now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.